What's the meaning of Charles Dickens? Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens.
Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was a famous British author who lived in the 19th century. He wrote many popular novels, including Oliver Twist, David Copperfield, and A Tale of Two Cities. Dickens' works often tackled social issues of his time, such as poverty, inequality, and child labor. His writing style was known for its vivid characters, intricate plots, and sharp satire. Dickens' contributions to English literature and his impact on popular culture have cemented his status as one of the most celebrated authors in history.